Hi, hello, good evening. This is Nagarajan from Market Moments. This is the video for tomorrow's expiries analysis. So let's begin with the analysis and let's have a recap of yesterday's level and we'll proceed with analysis for tomorrow. So the levels which was provided yesterday was 12,938 and a Nifty did a high of 12,948 and it got closed at 12,938, the exact number which I gave as target yesterday. So why? It is a very special number. It is a Fibonacci number and market has always respected the Fibonacci number and it will respect in future as well. That is the main reason why market closed at 12,938 for the day. So in a special video I'll try to explain what is Fibonacci, how I use Fibonacci to measure the exact targets. If you look at the past couple of weeks videos, all targets has been hit absolutely perfectly just because of Fibonacci. So we'll put up a special video for Fibonacci. So and today the second target didn't hit and third target was the weekly target. So I believe it will be hitting probably by tomorrow. That we'll look in today's analysis part. So and the Bank Nifty, where did the Bank Nifty close yesterday and today exactly it hit both the targets and it gave more than that. So 3 targets were hit from yesterday's level, 1 from Nifty and 2 from Bank Nifty. I believe people who are using the levels for trading are absolutely in profits. So let's get into today's analysis. So Nifty, let us look at the Nifty. The Nifty is making a beautiful structure. It is traveling in a clear uptrend. It is in a clear uptrend. It is making let us just look at today's levels alone, from starting from 9:15. The market started here at 12,887 and it dropped to the previous higher low and it took a support from here and it went all the way up, making a low, high, higher low and higher high, and it got closed exactly at 12,938, which was our target given yesterday. And what are the levels for tomorrow? Okay, let us pick the levels and make a note of it and trade accordingly. So these are going to be the levels for tomorrow, and the first target would be 12,978 for tomorrow and 13,036 will be the second target. That was the weekly target given 2 days back. If you go back to Monday's video and have a check on this, I have given the target 13,030 plus as a weekly target and it will definitely hit. I strongly believe in that. Yeah. So what will happen if Nifty breaks this level, that is this high of this level, so which is going to be 12,881. So we should be getting a target that is 12,820, which is going to be the today's higher low of the current swing. This is going to be the current swing, low, high, higher low, higher high. This I consider as a current swing, and tomorrow it will be the first support. So the first target, if Nifty breaks 12,880, will be 12,820, and second target would be 12,791. It is a close target, but still these are the levels. So you can see the support here. So obviously this should be a good support for tomorrow. If this is getting broken, then we can see the target 12,750. So these are the levels for tomorrow. You can have a close look or have a note, make a note of it. Tomorrow the levels are going to be 12,982 and 12,078 and 13,033 would be the targets. And downside, if it is breaking 12,888, we will be seeing 12,820, 791 and 748 as the targets. So let us have a quick look on open interest, because tomorrow is going to be our expiry. So we'll have a close look on the open interest and look for the support and resistance with respect to the open interest. So here we go. 13,000 is having a huge open interest, which is going to be 41,74,000. 41.74 lakh contracts is at 13,000, and with respect to PE at 13,000 is just 3.37 lakhs, which is not even 10%. So I strongly believe tomorrow it is going to be a tight fight between the buyers and sellers, and it will be very tough for crossing this 13,000. If that crosses 13, the level which I have given, 13,030 will be the targets for tomorrow. And if we look at the put side, the strong support is found at 12,800 with 46 lakh contracts. So the range for tomorrow would be very tight between the 200 points. I strongly believe this 12,850 wouldn't be break, and the range should be within 150 points. If this is getting broken, we can see 12,800, which I have already mentioned, like 12,790 would be the target, and the levels and open interest also matches. So obviously these are going to be the levels. So the view for tomorrow is bullish in the first half, and as per the long unwinds and the short unwinds, we'll be seeing the volatility. So that's all from Nifty's analysis. We'll get back to Bank Nifty waves. So Bank Nifty, what does Bank Nifty says? What does Bank Nifty conveys us? Bank Nifty is in a strong uptrend, respecting the ascending trend line, and if the trend line is getting broken, we should be getting these levels, which I have mentioned, like 29,616. If the trend line is getting broken, that is, this level is getting broken, we will be seeing the below targets, which is 29,483, 29,360 and 29,275, which is unlikely to happen, because I am absolutely bullish on Bank Nifty as well. So the first targets, if the Bank Nifty moves upside, the first target would be 29,808 and 29,918. These are both targets are going to be a crucial one. If that is taken out, we will be seeing the 30,034, which I have mentioned as the weekly target on Monday's video. I believe these should be hit. So just make a note of these levels. So upside target 29,808, 920, 30,030, and if it is getting broken at 29,616, these three levels will be the targets. So let's look for the open interest analysis for Bank Nifty for tomorrow's expiry. So here we go. So Bank Nifty got closed at 29,749, and we have a good open interest at 28,000 itself, 29,800 itself. And if you look for a huge resistance, is going to be at 30,000, which is having 8,50,000 contracts against 1 lakh input side. So tomorrow the levels are going to be intact, which I have given already. And when we look for the support, we have a strong support at this level, 29,500 and 29,400, which is unlikely to break for tomorrow. It will be a tough fight in Bank Nifty as well. If there is any put unwinding, we can see these levels, 29,600 and 500, but the range can be between 29,700 to 30,000 will be the range for tomorrow. And that's all for today's analysis. Stay tuned. Please subscribe, like and share comment on the video so that we can serve better. So, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.